Hi, teacher Cesar. My name is Diana Clavijo. What can you do in a museum? Okay, the things we can't do in a museum are we can eat, we can't eat. You can't not smoke, you cannot smoke. You can't run in the halls, you can't not run in the corridors. Okay. We can touch, we can touch, we can touch the objects. Can't use cell phone, can't use cell phone. Can't use flash, can't use flash. Can't scream, can't scream. Okay, in the museum we must have manners. We can have a good conduct. Um, we can have a proper silence and the unit groups have a calm behavior. Okay, teacher, thank you.